Hello everybody, welcome back to TabiEats recipe video. I'm Satoshi. Today I'm gonna make sushi sandwich. A couple of weeks ago, we made chicken sandwich. At the last of that video, I mentioned what shall I make next, and I said, how about sushi sandwich? I was thinking it's joke, just joke. Sushi sandwich, please imagine. Between bread, there are sushi. Sushi between breads. It sounds terrible, but I changed my mind. How about using rice instead of bread? It should be delicious. So today I will make it. So the first preparation for making sushi is making sushi vinegar. When you make sushi rice, sushi vinegar is necessary. It's a key point of sushi. So first I will combine 1.5 tablespoons of rice vinegar, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of salt, and dissolve well. But look, sugar is hard to dissolve, so I will put in the microwave for a while. Okay, I put in the microwave a little bit. Not, you don't have to put in the microwave so long time. Little bit warmer, and it helps to dissolve this sugar and salt. Nice aroma. I like this vinegar aroma. It's vinegar, but it has a little bit sweetness. Sweet vinegar aroma. Okay, it's dissolved completely. So set it aside. So next, let's make sushi rice. To making sushi rice, it's very easy. Just combine cooked rice and the vinegar I made. Today I'm using 3/4 US cup of uncooked rice. It's 180 milliliter cup of uncooked rice. And of course I cooked. But make sure when you make sushi rice, please use a little bit less water than regular cooking. So here's the rice. Pour the rice sushi vinegar little by little, and combine very well. Cutting and folding. The aroma of sushi rice is so good. The sushi rice is really tasty. I love this. Beautiful, and it's shining. Okay, it's good. Cover this cloth and rest for a while. So next, let's prepare fillings. Today's my sushi sandwich image is like futomaki. You know futomaki? This cylinder style, the thick cylinder style sushi. It's rolled. In the sushi, regularly they use omelet. I'm gonna make omelet next. Today's sandwich is square size, so make it the omelet square. And I'm gonna use this mold for making sushi later. So make the omelet size like this. Crack 1 egg. Add 1 teaspoon sugar. A little bit salt, and mix. So please do not make foam. And just cut this, the egg white. Cut with your chopsticks. Cut the egg white like this. I like this egg mixture. When I was a child, sometimes I taste this egg mixture as it is. Japanese egg is raw eatable, so it's okay. Let's cook omelette. Heat a frying pan and put some oil, not some, very little. When I make omelette, I usually use this paper towel and remove excess oil like this. And next, check the temperature. Put your chopsticks in your egg mixture a little bit and do like this. It's sound jump. It's okay. Then reduce the temperature and pour this egg mixture in your frying pan and spread immediately. And wait for a while. And check the edge part this edge part, it will become a little bit dry and easy to peel. So wait until that point. It's the key point. The low temperature, use low temperature makes the egg omelets beautiful, yellow color. Yes, the edge part is now dry, becoming dry. Okay, it's time. Today I'm gonna make square style, so do like this. Flip the edge part and make square. Yes, yes. And last part, fold, and once flip it over. Egg omelette is ready. Take it out and rest on the plate for a while. So next thing I prepare is avocado. Today's filling, I'm gonna use tuna, raw tuna, sashimi tuna, and sashimi tuna and avocado is a very good friend. So cut this avocado like this and twist. Remove the seed. Easy to remove this seed. I think it's good avocado. And take the flesh out. Both sides. Take the flesh out. And to prevent the color changing, I'm gonna squeeze a little bit lemon juice. Not so much. You don't have to use so much. Okay. Then mash this avocado. So I want to make this avocado like paste. Sometimes I eat avocado as sashimi. It's very tasty. It's fatty. It is called the forest butter. It's fatty, but it's nice fattiness. Beautiful green color. For me, the color is like zunda. Zunda is a edamame paste, edamame an. In my hometown, we use the edamame paste like anko. Eat with sticky rice, mochi. Tasty, really bit, very tasty. Shinichi love zunda. Okay, it's ready. So the last thing of filling is using this cucumber. I will make julienne cucumber, sengiri, hosogiri cucumber. The length is like this. I'm gonna use this dish for molding, so the julienne cucumber length should be like this. So remove the edge part. Check the length with this bowl, with this dish, and make it julienne. In futomaki sushi, the cylinder style sushi, roll sushi, you will find this cucumber more thicker. Usually, the size is the quarter of this cucumber. Today is a sandwich. The quarter size is too thick, so I'm gonna make this julienne. This is enough. Half cucumber is enough. Half Japanese size cucumber is enough. So all fillings are ready. So let's compose. But before composing the sandwich, I have to make the bread part or buns part made with rice. I already mentioned I'm gonna use this dish, square dish, for molding, and place parchment paper at the bottom of this mold dish. Why I'm using this? It helps taking out the rice like this. Then cut nori sheet into quarter. You can cut with your hand, but I'm using scissors. It makes nori sheet beautiful. Then place this nori sheet at the bottom of this dish mold and put sushi rice. I think the thickness is about 1 centimeter. 1 centimeter is like this, a little bit less than half inch, or you can make it as half inch. Push, spread and push. Spread the rice and little bit, push a little bit, push a little bit. Then sprinkle sesame seeds. Sesame seeds. It gives a toasty flavor. Okay. So one side is ready. Take it out. See, it's easy to take it out. And I have to make one more. Let's compose. First thing, I'm gonna spread the avocado paste. Beautiful. The white rice white and this green is very beautiful. Don't you think so? Okay, so next layer is today's main ingredients. Sashimi, tuna sashimi. I got with very reasonable price. Regularly, I eat this sashimi as it is, but today, sushi sandwich. Place this maguro on top, place tuna on top, like this. Beautiful, beautiful. The color combination is really good. It's good. And when we eat sashimi, we regularly use soy sauce with wasabi. So I'm gonna smear the wasabi soy sauce on top of tuna. Like this. It's appetizing, very appetizing. I already know it's delicious. On the tuna, I'm gonna add this perilla leaves, shiso perilla leaves. It has a beautiful green color. Just lay on the tuna. Like this. I prepared 5, but 4 is enough. And on the perilla leaves, I will put imitation crab. And I want to use a real crab, but it's too expensive, so I'm using imitation crab. But imitation crab is tasty too. I love imitation crab so much. It has a nice flavor. I think it's good for this sushi too. Okay. Then cucumber, shredded julienne cucumber, like this. Cucumber, it has a nice texture. Is it okay? I think it's okay. You don't have to use all of them. The last one is egg omelet. Very beautiful. Then put the other part of sushi part, rice part on top. So the sushi sandwich is ready. So let's cut this sushi sandwich. I'm gonna cut into diagonally. Be careful, it's easy to break. So okay. Voila. Does it look delicious? It's a sandwich, so it's easy to break. So I'm holding with paper like hamburger. It's easy to eat. Because it is a sandwich, it's okay. いただきましょう。いただきます。Very nice. Very nice. I can enjoy the sushi rice flavor and avocado. It has a little bit sourness, tanginess because I add lemon juice. And of course, tuna is a very good friend of avocado and imitation crab. And cucumber texture is really サクッとパリッとクランチ and egg omelets. All flavor are very nice and I can taste individual taste, but it become a one dish. In this sandwich, all of ingredients flavor become one. It's marriage. I really want you to try this sushi sandwich. It's so good. If you make this sushi sandwich, please post on your SNS like Instagram, Facebook or Twitter and add hashtag TabiEats. So hope you enjoyed today's recipe. If you did, please give us a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, what are you waiting for? So see you next delicious recipe. Bye!